Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to lock the bootloader on your Samsung Galaxy S21. So actually this is quite easy process, so don't worry. And the first thing you are gonna do is to make sure that here you do have the stock ROM installed. So the stock ROM is only a thing. I think this is only an official system that comes with your phone from the Samsung store itself. If your phone is rooted, if your phone does have any third-party applications that doesn't really come here with the software itself and are really third-party, I don't really mean the APKs, files, or anything else from the Google Play Store. I mean something from the third party that you installed via add-in, for example. You have to get rid of that, and what I do recommend doing is to install this stock ROM, even though you do maybe have it, but maybe modify it a little bit. So I do have a video for that. We do have a video for that in our channel. It's recorded, so you can check it out how to install correctly this stock ROM on your phone. So check it out and do it. And apart from that, remember that this whole process does a factory reset on your device. So yeah, you have to remember that you may lose your data, so do a backup. Apart from that, you have to prepare yourself a cable that does support the data transfer and is connected to your PC. Usually it's a USB type A to type C cable, as you can see. So if you do have that, we can start. At first, you have to make sure that your phone is turned off. Hold the power and volume down button, tap power off, and then power off. Now if your phone is turned off, prepare your cable, and now, oh wait a moment, my cable fell down on the floor actually. Now you have to hold the volume down and volume up cable here, volume up, volume down, and meanwhile you are holding this, plug in your USB type C cable into your phone. Hold these buttons until you see this thing, and hold the volume up button. Here, as you can see, we have lock bootloader. Yes, lock bootloader, any factory reset phone. We have to click the volume up, and now our phone will be locked. The bootloader will be locked and factory resetted. I won't show you the process of setting up our phone, but here now, as you can see, we have erasing, and after that, wait a moment, when we do see something, wait a moment, we can here unplug our cable. But let's wait a moment. At first, let's wait a moment. Let's not break this whole process. Now we can unplug our cable. Wait, for example, 20 to 30 seconds after this erasing process, and after this process you should see the hello, welcome, just the setup screen. So let's see when I do have that. Now, as you can see here, we do have our welcome screen, and the only thing we have to do is to set up our phone. I won't show you this whole process because I will bore you, so let me set up this phone and let's see after this whole process. So now actually I'm here with my phone all set up, but that's not, of course, everything. Now go to the settings and tap connections. If you had done this within your setup process, don't worry, you can go to the next process. But if you didn't connect your Wi-Fi, tap Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth. Tap Wi-Fi, tap on your preferred Wi-Fi network, enter the password to it, and tap connect. Go back, scroll all the way down, and now tap here about phone. Tap here software information, and now build number until you see you are a developer. If you are a developer now, go back, and here developer options. As you can see, OM unlocking is now turned on. It doesn't have to be shown, remember that OM is turned on. So go back, tap the software update, tap don't install. You have to be connected to the server, Samsung official server, to actually do so. Now tap pause if you have some update. The update doesn't have to be detected. The only thing that is important is that you have to connect to these systems, connect to these servers, and now you can go back, tap again developer options, and turn off the OEM unlocking. Restart the phone to use device protection feature. Hold the power button and volume down. Restart. Well, you have to, of course, not miss the button. Restart. Now you can wait 10 to 20 seconds until you see your phone again turns on, and we'll again go to this option. After this whole process, your phone will be 100% secured and safe. I mean, yeah. Now you can unlock your device, and let's go again to the settings. Here, if you scroll further down, developer options, you will see OEM unlocking turned off. Now you can turn off the developer options so you won't accidentally go there, and we are all done actually. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on our video. It's very important to us to have your feedback, so if you feel so, leave the comment, leave a like and subscribe. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!